My. Get down. Get down, Kira.
Come here. Sit.
Sit! Very good. Napasit mo. Galing mo ah.
Kira, no, with mountain.
No daw. It's Kuya Haki's chair. Anong ginawa ni Kira? Kinis ka? Ikaw talaga. Alo, first time nga ito doon nakis ng aso.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey. Hey.
Oo, A. A daw to.